UGC NET JRF exam History Solved paper June 2014 paper 2. Note, this paper contains 50 objective type questions of 2 marks each. All questions are compulsory. Question number 1. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. List 1, list 2. Grid system of excavation. R.E.M. Wheeler. Principle of stratigraphy. Thomas Jefferson. Radiocarbon method of dating. F.W. Libby. Three-dimensional method of recording. Pitt Rivers. Question number 2. In which area the Neolithic man lived in underground pits? A. Karnataka. B. Assam. C. Kashmir. D. Madhya Pradesh. And the answer is option C. Kashmir. Question number 3. Match list 1. Items found in Harappan sites with list 2 possible sources and select the correct answer from the codes given below. Copper, Rajasthan. Shell, Kutch. Lapis lazuli, Afghanistan. Gold, Deccan. Question number 4. Which among the following weapons of war have not been found in the remains of the Harappan culture? 1. Bows and arrows. 2. Swords. 3. Shields. 4. Helmets. And the answer is option D. 2, 3 and 4. Swords, shields and helmets. Question number 5. Who among the following priests had the duty to supervise the performance of a sacrifice? A. Kota. B. Brahma. C. Udgata. D. Advarya. And the answer is option B. Brahma. Question number 6. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. List 1, list 2. Strauta Sutra. Rules relating to sacrifices. Grihya Sutra. Domestic rights. Dharma Sutra. Dharma or law. Sulva Sutra. Meaning of fire altars. Question number 7. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. Surya Siddhanta, Aryabhatha. Pudgala, Jainism. Horoshastra, Greeks. Aretine ware, Romans. Question number 8. Match list 1 officials with list 2 departments and select the correct answer with the help of codes given below. Lakshanadhyaksha, Superintendent of Mints. Siddhaksha, Superintendent of Agriculture. Putpadhyaksha, Superintendent of Weights and Measures. Panyadaksha, Superintendent of Commerce. Question number 9. Which inscription of Ashoka gives an account of Kalinga War? A. Jaughada rock inscription. B. Dhauli rock inscription. C. Ruminde pillar inscription. D. Shabajghari rock edict. And the answer is option D. Shabajghari rock edict. Question number 10. Who among the following rulers is the last ruler of the Satavahana dynasty? A. Siri Ajna. B. Siri Satakarni. C. Pulumavi 4. D. Sivasiri Pulumavi. And the answer is option C. Pulumavi 4. 11. Who was the first mathematician to calculate the correct value of pi? A. Aryabhatha 1. B. Aryabhatha 2. C. Varahamihira. D. Brahmagupta. And the answer is option A. Aryabhatha 1. 12. Which one of the following territories was not ruled by King Chandragupta 1? A. Prayaga. B. Saketa. C. Vaishali. D. Magadha. And the answer is option C. Vaishali. 13. St. Thomas come to India for the propagation of Christianity during the reign of A. Akbar. B. Gondopharenus. C. Khatfaisal. D. Jahangir. And the answer is option B. Gondopharenus. 14. What is the correct chronological sequence of the following Buddhist sites? And the answer is option C. Sanchi, Amravati, Nagarjunikonda, Nalanda. 15. Who among the following officers was not a functionary under the Mauryan administration? A. Pradisikas, B. Rajukas, C. Yuktas, D. Nayakas. And the answer is option D. Nayakas. 16. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. With the establishment of Turkish rule, the art of history writing was firmly established in India. Reason R. The Sultanate period witnessed a development of paper industry in India. In the context of the above two statements, which one of the following is correct? Select the correct answer from the quotes given below. And the answer is option B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. 17. Who proclaimed that the mason and stone cutters of Delhi were superior to their fellow craftsmen in the whole Muslim world? A. Amir Khusru, B. Minhaj Siraj, C. Ibn Battuta, D. Isami. And the answer is A. Amir Khusru. 18. Who among the following used to look after the army during the Sultanate period? A. Naib, B. Wazir, C. Qazi, D. Aris I. Mamalik. And the answer is option D. Aris I. Mamalik. 19. The country is for the most part well cultivated, very fertile. The troops amount is numbered to 11 lakhs. Who made the above statement in respect of Vijayanagara state? A. Nunes, B. Abdur Razak, C. Niccolo Conti, D. Barbosa. And the answer is option B. Abdur Razak. 20. Who among the following opined that a woman cannot acquit herself well as a ruler, for she is essentially deficient in intellect? A. Minhaj Siraj, B. Giyazuddin Bharni, C. Isami, D. Yahya bin Ahmad. And the answer is option C. Isami. 21. Consider the following statements about Sher Shah Suri. 1. Sher Shah established an empire extending from Afghanistan to Odisha. 2. His use of Hindavi language, his administration was a measure of his practical sense. 3. He enforced law and order with heavy hand. D. He withdrew the circulation of gold coins. Which of the above statements are correct? Select the correct answer from the quotes given below, and the answer is option B, 2 and 3. 22. Arrange the following in correct chronological order and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. And the correct chronological order is 1. Battle of Khanwa, 3. Battle of Chausa, 4. Battle of Dharmat, and 2. Battle of Palkhed. 23. Which of the following historical accounts was not written during the reign of Akbar? A. Tariq-i-Firishta, B. Humayun-Nama, C. Tariq-i-Shershahi, D. Tabakat-i-Akbari. And the answer is option A. Tariq-i-Firishta. 24. Which of the following historians writes that Nur Jahan's relations and connections were exalted by favor of all kind? A. Muhammad Khan, B. Inayat Khan, C. Khwaja Kamghar Khan, D. Abdul Hamid Lahori. And the answer is option A. Muhammad Khan. 25. Which of the following statements is true? A. Like Europe, the nobility in Mughal India was a legal category. B. The Mughal nobles were not involved in the task of administration at higher levels. C. The social distinctions between the Iranis, Turani, and the Sheikh-Zada nobles disappeared. D. The nobles whose ancestors had been in the Mughal imperial service for more than a generation were called Khanazads. And the answer is option D. The nobles whose ancestors had been in the Mughal imperial service for more than a generation were called Khanazads. 26. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. Francois Bernier, a French physician who visited India during the reign of Aurangzeb and believed that king was the owner of all land in India. Tavernier, a French traveller who was a jeweller by profession and who was in India during the reigns of Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb. Pelsaret, a Dutch traveller who visited India during the reign of Jahangir. Ralph Fitch, An Englishman who visited India during the reign of Akbar. 27. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. Izara, the system of revenue forming. Hazel, actually realized revenue under the Mughals. Ghalla Bakshi, a method of land revenue assessment and collection under the Mughals. Nabud, area under crop failure. 28. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. In military terms, Aurangzeb's reign was undistinguished. Reason R. He could not subjugate the Marathas. In the context of the above two statements, which one of the following is correct? And the answer is option D. A is false but R is true. 29. The reality of Mughal centralized power is one matter, whether it was good or bad, quite another. Who made the above statements? And the answer is option A. J. F. Richards. 30. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the quotes given below. List 1. Name of the department of the central government under Shivaji. List 2. Title of the head of the department. Department of Royal Household and Court Affairs, Mantri. Department of Foreign Affairs, Sumant. Department of Royal Correspondence, Sachiv. Finance Department, Amatya. 31. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Weak statement and incompetent commanders were responsible for the rapid disintegration of the Mughal Empire in the first half of the 18th century. Reason R. The Mughal statement and nobles of this period were preoccupied with their own interests and had little concern for the fate of the empire. In the context of the above two statements, which one of the following is correct? Select the correct answer from the quotes given below. And the answer is option D. A is false but R is true. 32. The only major industry in the hands of Indian capitalists during the late 19th century was A. Cotton textile, B. Jute, C. Iron and steel, D. None of these. And the answer is option A. Cotton textile. 33. A young Maharashtrian who joined the revolutionary movement in Punjab was A. Sukhdev, B. Rajguru, C. Namdev, D. Vasudev. And the answer is option B. Rajguru. 34. Who stated that the object of the political dacoities must be to secure money belonging to the government? A. Ram Prasad Bismil, B. Surya Sin, C. Pritilatha Vaddedar, D. Sukhdev. And the answer is option A. Ram Prasad Bismil. 35. Arrange the following in correct chronological order. Select the correct answer with the help of the quotes given below. The correct chronological order is 4. Warren Hastings, 3. Cornwallis, 2. John Shore, 1. Minto. 36. Who commented Oriental learning is inferior to European learning? A. Charles Wood, B. William Carey, C. Lord Macaulay, D. William Hunter. And the answer is option C. Lord Macaulay. 37. Who were called neo-nationalists? A. Moderators, B. Swarajists, C. Extremists, D. Revolutionaries. And the answer is option C. Extremist. 38. Who set up the Agricultural Research Institute at Pusa? A. Lytton, B. Ripon, C. Curzon, D. Minto. And the answer is option C. Curzon. 39. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with the help of the quotes given below. List 1 Commission, list 2 Chairman. Famine Commission 1899. Anthony McDonald. Railway Commission 1901. Thomas Robertson. Irrigation Commission 1901. Sir Colin Scott Moncrieff. Universities Commission 1902. Thomas Raleigh. 40. Who of the following poets wrote in praise of Russian Revolution of 1917? A. Subramanya Bharati, B. Muhammad Iqbal, C. Sarojini Naidu, D. Rabindranath Tagore. And the answer is option A. Subramanya Bharati. 41. In which year Dhaka Anushilan Samiti was founded? A. 1902, B. 1903, C. 1904, D. 1905. And the answer is option D. 1905. 42. Who among the following said, for me, every tiniest activity is governed by what I consider to me be my religion? A. Swami Vivekananda, B. V.D. Savarkar, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. And the answer is option C. Mahatma Gandhi. 43. The All India Women's Conference was started in 1927 to A. Promote women's education, B. Increase women's share in the legislatures, C. Enhance women's employment, D. Campaign for women's voting rights. And the answer is option A. Promote women's education. 44. Who of the following led a delegation to London to demand female franchisee? A. Annie Besant, B. Sucheta Kripalani, C. Sarla Devi, D. Sarojini Naidu, and the answer is option D. Sarojini Naidu. 45. Which of the following is not true of the cabinet mission plan? A. It rejected the creation of a separate state of Pakistan. B. It recognized India's right to secede from the Commonwealth. C. All members of the Indian cabinet ought to be Indians. D. It gave scope to the communal representation, and the answer is option B. It recognized India's right to secede from the Commonwealth. 46. The Nehru-Liaquat Pact between India and Pakistan was signed in 1950 to resolve the issue of A. Protection of minorities, B. The accession of the princely states, C. The border disputes, D. Foreign relations. And the answer is option A. Protection of minorities. 47. Where was Panchayat Raj first introduced? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Rajasthan, C. Maharashtra, D. Andhra Pradesh. And the answer is option B. Rajasthan. 48. Which one of the following statements is not correct about Black Death? A. The blood-sucking fleas that lived on black rats were responsible for the spread of Black Death. B. Plague was called Black Death because of the deadly black swellings it caused. C. The terrible disease was transmitted from Asia to Europe in the 15th century. D. People thought that God had sent the Black Death as a punishment for their sins. And the answer is option C. The terrible disease was transmitted from Asia to Europe in the 15th century. 49. Given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion A and the other one labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Civilization in all its varied aspects constitutes the subject matter of history. Reason R. Such a cultural approach to history would make it a biography of civilization. In the context of the above two statements, which one of the following codes is correct? And the answer is option A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. 50. Who among us the following medieval historiographers pronounced that prejudice and partisanship obscure the critical faculty and preclude critical investigation? A. Al-Biruni, B. Minhaj as-Siraj, C. Ibn Khaldun, D. Ziauddin Barni, and the answer is option C. Ibn Khaldun.